Hey friends, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Once again, the XLM is not following Bitcoin anymore, and so far it has surged more than 66% after 27th of June. And we can see that this is a bullish rally that was started after 27th of June, and so far it has surged more than 66% and invalidated this head and shoulder pattern that was expected. Now in today's video we will discuss this move, and we will also discuss the different simple moving averages, and we will also watch this bullish crab move that was formed on the Kraken exchange on the daily chart, and we will also watch this uptrend line that has become a really very strong support for the price line, and it is moving above this trend line really very well. And at the end of this video we will also watch this different support and resistance levels, and this really very big move that can lead the price action up to 600%. First of all, I would like to give you some recap from my previous charts that I have shared with you in my previous videos as well. And this was a chart that I posted on June 20, and the price action of XLM formed a bullish bad pattern. And I predicted that as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bad pattern, the price action should take the bullish divergence from here. Now I'm playing this chart. You can see that the price action moved a little bit sideways. And here we can see a very small candlestick was closed below this potential reversal zone. However, it is moved back and surged more than 66% so far after entering in this potential reversal zone. And if we watch on the Kraken exchange, then on the Kraken exchange it formed a bullish crab pattern, as there on that exchange it was retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618, and after entering in this potential reversal zone it was surged more than 66% as per Kraken exchange. Now if we move back to this chart that I shared with you in my previous video, that at the same time the XLM is forming a bullish reversal pattern and the bearish reversal pattern as well. So bullish reversal pattern was this one, this bullish bad pattern, and this bullish crab pattern that was formed on the different exchange, on the Kraken exchange. And this was a bearish reversal pattern, and it was expected that it will form a head and shoulder pattern. And this was the initial leg, and after that it formed the left shoulder and the head of this pattern. And now we can see that this candlestick has crossed up this level of head. Therefore this pattern, this bearish reversal pattern, has been invalidated. Now we will see the bullish scenario as the price action has broken out all the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200 as well. At this time we are having very strong support of these four simple moving averages, but now there is also a possibility that the price action will be moved down to retest the previous moving averages as a support, because there is a very big distance between the moving averages and the candlesticks. However, there is also possibility that the 50 or 25 or any moving average will be moved up to provide the support. Like we have seen here, the price action was moving up, and the 25 simple moving average was also moving up with the price action and provided a very good support here. And here we can see that the price action, whenever the price action moved down, it was bounced back by the 25 simple moving average to the upward. And such move, we can expect such move again by the 25 or 50 simple moving average, that any of these moving averages will be moved up and provide a strong support to the price line. If the moving average will be not moved up, then the price action can move down to retest the previous moving average as a support. And if we watch this trend line that I have shared with you in my previous video as well, that the price action has formed an uptrend line and has found a very strong support above this trend line. Whenever the price action is moving on this trend line, then it is getting bounced very well. And now after this move, if we copy this trend line and place it here, then the price action has formed a very good up channel, because now we have several touches at the resistance of this channel. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 touches at the resistance and several touches at the support, even though there is a big gap. However, we have several touches, and this is really, really strong trend line. So far it is proven, therefore we cannot ignore this this trend line. Therefore now in the future we can see that the price action will break out this resistance level or not. If, for example, if the price action will not break out this resistance level and it will still moving within this channel above this trend line or above the support of the channel, then in that case the price action will be also moving up. For example, if we place this pitchfork tool to see the long-term projection of the price action, for example, if it will be moving within this channel without having breakout or breakdown, then we can have an idea using this tool. This is really very useful tool to see the long-term projection of the price action, where it can go in the future. For example, if it will not break out or break down this channel, then you can see that it will be moving within this channel and moving upwards. For example, if it will be moving upwards up to this level on 30 November, for example, up to 30 November 2020, then our resistance will be at 13.5 cents. At this time, our resistance is at 10 cents, and our support will be at 11 cents. So that will be better if the price action will not break out or break down this channel, and it will be still moving within this channel continuously. Or if it will break out the channel, then it can turn more bullish than the previous one. And if we see the different support and resistance level, at this time the price action is trying to break out this 10-cent resistance level and just broken out this 8 cents resistance level. This was a really very strong resistance. We can see that the price action was trying to break out this resistance since September 2019, and even after several attempts, the price action was not able to break out this resistance level. However, the price action can retest this previous resistance as a support. If this retest will be not successful, then again the price action can move back towards the next support, that is at 6 cents. And if that retest will be successful, then we can see that the price action will make another attempt to break out this 10-cent resistance level. This is also really very strong resistance level, same as like the $10,000 resistance level is a very strong resistance for the Bitcoin. Same as like that, we have this 10-cent resistance for the price line of XLM. Then we have the 13 cents. This is the next resistance level. Then from 13 cents up to 20 cents, we don't have any significant resistance. Therefore, this gap will be filled within a very short time period. Then we have the 23 cents resistance. And at the end of this video, I would like to share with you this or recall this pattern that I have been sharing since last year with you, that the price action has formed a really very big bad pattern on the monthly chart. And this is almost same as like the previous move of this of XLM when it formed a bullish bad pattern on the weekly chart back in 2017 and turned very strong bullish, and this was more than 4,000% bullish rally. And this time it has formed the bigger pattern than the previous one. This was on the weekly chart, and this is formed on the monthly chart. At this time, the price action is moving almost at the bottom of this this potential reversal zone of this bad pattern. And as per Fibonacci sequence of bullish bad pattern, realistically, the price action can enter at least in this area that starts from 0.382 and ends up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement or projection. And this is the projection of A to D leg. Once the price action will be entered here, and if it will hit this area, that is 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then that will be almost 600% bullish move. That is really very big move. However, if the price action will be able to cross at this level, 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then it can start more powerful bullish rally than the previous one. At this time, we can see that, for example, I posted an ADA idea in March 2020, the Cardano, and the Cardano formed a bullish butterfly pattern. At the end of March, the price action completed the final leg of this bullish butterfly pattern, and as per Fibonacci sequence, I predicted that on this monthly chart, now the price action will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, and realistically it can enter in this area. However, it can also cross this area. In case if it will cross this area, 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then it can retest this level and it can turn more strong bullish than the previous move. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that now the price action has turned really very strong bullish. At this time, the price action is trying to break out this level. If it will be broken out, this 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then the price action can turn more bullish. Same as like that, we can see such move here. If the price action will be able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci resistance or hurdle, then it can turn more powerful bullish, like it was turned here back in 2017 and produced more than 4,000% bullish rally. So this was the update so far by the XLM price action. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.